mewn i star jumps. And ollie jog. A symud breichiau ar ôl un pryd, arms backwards at the same time. Ac ymlaen and forwards. Cael breichiau fyny wan, ochr i ochr, side to side. A side twists. Okay, lawr i hips nesa, cylchoedd mawr, black circles with the hips. A ffordd arall on the other way. Okay, mewn i side lunges. Lunges ymlaen, forward lunges. A mewn i squats wan. Slow bach. A leg swings, forward leg swings. A coes arall, swap over. A side leg swings. A swap eto. Okay, a nôl i jog in the spot. A na i dros the exercises. Okay, so mae gennym ni 4 round heddiw yma, 4 rounds. There's 3 exercises in each round. So 3 exercises gwahanol, a da ni'n neud nhw 3 gwaith. So we're doing each exercise 3 times. Okay, so 30 seconds on a 5 seconds off. 3 times, mae gennym ni 4 round, 4 rounds. Okay? So y 3 exercise yn yr un gyntaf. So the first 3 exercise, we've got the elevated crunch. So coesa fyny, breichiau nôl, a crunch fyny. Okay? So hwnna dyn ni fynd, that's number 1. Second one, we've got the full crunch. Okay, so reit yn ôl, a codi reit fyny. So tuck yn y canol. Okay, so hwnna dyn ni 2, number 2. A y trydydd un, y third one, alternate leg reset. Okay, so eto, again on the floor. A un coes ar y tro. Cyfarfod yn y canol. Okay, meet in the middle. Okay? So 3 yna sydd yn y round gyntaf. So those 3 exercises in the first round, we're going to do them 3 times. 30 seconds on, 5 seconds off. Okay? So pawb yn barod wedi cychwyn mewn treiliad, start in 3 seconds. Okay? So elevated crunch gyntaf. 3, 2, 1, go. So break chanol, crunch I fyny. Okay, iwsio'r breichiau I helpu chi fynd. Okay, use your arms as a guide. Dal I fynd. 3, 2, 1, careful crunch. So mewn treiliad. So llawn lan. Go. Okay, gorfod weight ar y llawn. Tuck yn y canol, tuck in the middle. Da iawn, dal I fynd. 3, 2, 1, a rest. Okay, un coes ar tro, alternate leg reset. Go. Un coes ar tro, long leg exercise. Hanner ffordd, halfway. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nôl I dechrau to the beginning. Elevated crunch. Go. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Dal I fynd. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nesaf, full crunch. So tuck in the canol, tuck in the middle. Go. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Dal I fynd. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nesa, single leg, reset one. Barod. Go. Da iawn, dal I fynd, hanner ffordd, halfway. Dal I fynd. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nôl I dechrau unwaith eto, to the beginning, once more. Reverse crunch. Da iawn, well done. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Careful, crunch on. Allan, tuck yn y canol. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Three, 2, 1. Okay, I'll see single leg V-sit. Barod? Go. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Tri, dau, un, a rest. Okay, so round 2, round 2. Yr exercises da ni efo. So, keep in, plank, efo rotate. Okay, so plank, a rotate. Okay, we're going to that's number 1. Number 2, shoulder taps. And then allan, mewn. So shoulder taps, out and back in. Okay? Cadw'r cefn y syth, keep your back straight. Number 3, ankle taps. So gorau lawr a tap your ankles. Okay? So 10 at the end, 10 seconds. We're going to tap first one, plank rotate. Okay, barod, 3, 2, 1, go. So plank, a dip your hips. Da iawn, well done, halfway. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Tennis, that next one. Shoulder taps, out, in. Tap, tap, allan, mewn. Tap, tap, out, in. Okay, da chi eisiau cadw y core yn mynd a cefn chi mor lawr ac yn syth bosib. Keep your core tight and your back as straight and low as possible. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, lawr o'r cefn, on the back, ankle taps. Okay, go. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Three, 2, 1. Okay, nôl I dechrau, back to the start with a plank rotate. Go. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Three, 2, 1. And next one, shoulder taps, forward. Cadw'r core in, keep the core tight. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nôl I lawr. Ankle taps. Go. Da iawn, dal I fynd, hanner ffordd, halfway. Three, 2, 1. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so nesa, shoulder taps, mine, no. Hanner ffordd, halfway. Da iawn, dal i fynd. 3, 2, 1. Carrying all around yma, last one of the round. Ankle taps. Go. Hanner ffordd, halfway. Three, 2, 1, a rest. Okay, so trydydd round, round 3. Number 1 ydi leg raise i mewn I reverse crunch. Okay? So codi coesa, lawr, crunch I fyny, lawr. Okay, bob yn ail. So hwnna di rif 1, first one. Rhif 2 ydi tucks. So allan y mewn. Os da chi eisiau gwneud yn anoddach, codwch dwy floch i'w llaw. To make it harder, lift your arms off the floor. A rhif 3 ydi scissors. So coesa at ei gilydd. Okay, so 10 seconds. First one, leg raise, very reverse crunch. Okay, barod, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, leg raise, reverse crunch. Okay, codi'r penol off the llawr, pan da ni'n neud y crunch. Lift up on the crunch. Da iawn, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nesaf, tucks. So allan, mewn. Out, in. Go. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Cofiwch yn neud yn anoddach, codi'r dwy lofn llawr. Lift your hands up to make it harder. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nesa. Scissors. Okay, os da chi eisiau gwneud o wahanol, fedrwch chi fynd fyny a just wneud y coesa. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so nôl y dechrau to the beginning, leg raise, reverse crunch. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. Dal I bwysio. 3, 2, 1. Head nesa. Tucks, next one. Tucks. Barod. Go. Da iawn, dal i fynd. Hanner ffordd, halfway. Tri, dau, un. Cer nôl lawr fan scissors. Gregwch chi dewis. Fel neu efo'r reicha. Da iawn, hanner ffordd. Halfway. Tri, dau, un. Okay, last three of the set. Shiola, leg raise, reverse crunch. Da iawn, dal i fynd. 3, 2, 1. Cer nesaf, tucks. Barod. Go. Okay, cofiwch codi breichiau si roed yn anoddach. Remember to lift your hands if you want to make it harder. Da iawn, well done. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the whole around them, our last one of the round. Scissors. Go. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway, well done. Three, 2, 1. Okay, round all our last round. Exercise we do, number 1, full sit-up. Okay, so iwsio'r breichiau. Okay, breichiau fyny, arms up at the top. Okay, so hwnna dyn ni fynd. That's number 1. Rhif 2, second one. Then you've got oblique crunch, okay? So un coes lawr, one leg down. Braich allan, tuck mewn, side crunch. Okay, eto I need an anoddach to make it harder. Put both legs up. And number 3 is the same again, but on the other side. Okay? So first one, rhif 1, full sit-up. 10 seconds i fynd. Okay, then i barod. Full sit-up. 3, 2, 1, go. Da iawn, well done, halfway. Tri, dau, un. Cer nesaf. Oblique crunch. Okay, tynhau'r core pan ydych chi'n mewn. Squeeze the core muscles when you crunch in. Da iawn, 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Cer un peth eto, same again. Switch sides, swap ochr. Da iawn, well done. Hanner ffordd drwadd, halfway. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nôl i dechrau, back to the beginning. Full sit-up. Go. Da iawn, dal i fynd. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nesa. Yr oblique crunch. Go. Okay, cofiwch i neud yr ofach to make it harder with both feet up. Da iawn, 10 seconds. 10 eiliad. 3, 2, 1. Stop ochr, stop sides. Da iawn, dal i fynd. Hanner ffordd, halfway. 3, 2, 1. Care 3 o lawan, last 3. Careful sit-up. Go. Da iawn, dal i fynd, keep going. 10 seconds. 'A rest. Okay, oblique crunch. Da iawn. Hanner ffordd, halfway. 3, 2, 1. A dyn o lawan, last one. Stop ochr. Go. Da iawn, hanner ffordd, halfway. 3, 2, 1. A rest. Okay, da iawn pawb, well done. Grewch yn siŵr na chi'n gael digon o dŵr. Okay, so nawn ni wneud y cool down. We'll do the cool down. So slow bach yn y breichiau, slowly. Stretch i fyny, stretch up. A lawr. Okay, so i'r breichiau fyny. Pull your arms up. Stretch at the top. Okay, stop at the top. A tynnu'r ochr, stretch to the side. A slow bach ochr arall. Slowly to the other side. Ag eto. Okay, braich ar draws, arm across. Dal yna. A stop ochr, Swap sides. Curl out your hips. Push ymlaen, push your hips forward. Arcing all backwards. Cadwch coesau'n syth, keep your legs straight. And get on again. And up. Head mewn I side lunge. Dal yna. And repair the ochr arall, same again on the other side. And in stretch arall, one more. Coesau'n syth, legs together, and stretch your lap. As low as you can go. Dal yna am a few seconds. A nôl I fyny, a just ysgwyd y corff. Shake it off. Okay, da iawn pawb.